Oh man, it's a little sad. Well, we officially had our first hard freeze that killed off all the volunteers that I left to keep going as long as they possibly could. So now I'm curious, see if those volunteer potatoes actually grew anything. They started late in the season. I'm not really sure when they actually popped up. I was just gonna let them go until it froze. Well, now that it froze, let's see what those 3 plants are gonna give us. You can see that's the potato it sprouted from. That's gross. Well, I mean, I can't be too mad at that. These are volunteer. So all in all, I got about 3 okay sized potatoes per plant. I'm not mad. I'm not sure if these were just late sprouting from potatoes that I had put in, seed potatoes that I had put in the spring, or maybe I missed one when I was digging up the spring harvest. But that's enough to throw in with a roast, so can't be that mad. And I didn't have to do anything. Now it does look like this one in particular is a whole potato. I planted pieces that had sprouted, so that was probably one I missed that then sprouted on its own. But you can see it has little sprouts on it still, so I'm going to put this in storage and use it again as a seed potato in spring. So yeah, I'm okay with that outcome. Next, I'll have to take a look at the sweet potatoes that volunteered in my compost bin. I don't have super high hopes because overly fertilized sweet potatoes tend to just produce a lot of beautiful foliage and not so much of the sweet potato root. But we'll see. I mean, a volunteer is a volunteer. It's just extra that I didn't have to do anything to maintain or plant. So if I get anything, I'll be ecstatic. If I get nothing, I won't be disappointed. Well, thanks for joining me. See you again soon. Bye.